Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up garden light, shade and its wiring. This is my shade for the garden light, lead and the bottom, and this is the holder. So first of all, this is the link one which will attach the holder with the garden shade. Now you can see the hole. In the hole, put the screw. Put the screw in it. There are two holes. In the both holes, put the screws and tighten it up. Firmly fix it. Now put the holder inside the shade. Take out the bottom of the wire through it and the bottom shade of it. This is nut and it will attach the whole body firmly. There you can see. With your finger fix it, and there it looks like. Now this is the garden shade light stand. Now to where you can see it's undergrounded, and these two wire will be connected with the garden shade two wires. So this is how I attached it. With the tape, cover the face of it so it doesn't create any short circuit. These are the nuts. These nuts will hold the shade light, which is stand. After fixing the garden shade with the stand, I put the light inside of it. Put the lid on. There are the screws to fix it with the body. Now that's the switch. Turn on. There's the light is on. Switched on in the evening. Switched off and on. It works completely fine. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care. Goodbye.